Hey y'all, it's Kia. Let's have some fun with our clothes. We're going into the fall season, so we're going to do some layering, but I'm in Florida, so we're going to do a little light layering with the scarf. Here's look one. So I'll tie a big scarf around my neck and then behind me, and then we can wear this as a top. You can wear it over another shirt or you wear it as is. Now we're in look two. We're going to layer some more. So you're going to wear a men's button up. Take two sides of the scarf and tie it around your neck and the other side tie it around your neck, and then you wear it like a neck. Look three is easy peasy. Now you have your men's button up on. You're going to put your big scarf in a triangle and then tie it over your chest. That's it. And it's so chic. It's such a cute look. Look four, same vibe. You're just going to do the same thing but around your waist and kind of do it a little bit on the side and just have fun, play with this look. Okay, so for look five, you're going to wrap it around you like a towel. You're going to tie it on the corner, over your shoulder, and then right by your waist and pin it, secure it. And it's a look. I think it's really cute. Look six was fun. So you put the scarf to the front of you, and what you're going to do is tie it at the waist and then tie it right there at the top and then put a necklace around it, loop it around your neck, and boom, a whole nother look. I hope these were great ideas so you can have some fun with your clothes. Which one was your fave?